We'll do a quick review on this eraser hole. It's to repair holes in like plaster or drywall. It's easy to use. I just bought another one of these. I won't open it up, but I'll you also put it on wood or whatever. You just fill up the little hole, like nail holes or whatever, and fill it up, and then wipe the excess off, and just a few minutes it's ready to paint. It's really good to have if you're touching up an area. My wife's going to do the touch up the walls in classroom so we can repaint it, but works really good. I've used it before, so if you're looking for a good patch so you don't have to worry about puttying little small nail holes and things like that, check this out, eraser hole. I think you'll like it.